Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mocha Bombshell, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash demo slash trying out on camera of the Jaclyn Hill palette. If you want to see how I created this look, this neutral, just real cute, real chill day type look, then keep watching. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell in the corner so that you can be updated with all of my latest videos. So today was like a really chill day, head wrap, t-shirt, you know. So I thought, let me go ahead and do this video on my Jaclyn Hill palette. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I just haven't done it, so I went ahead and did it today. I think the colors in this palette are so pretty. Look at these colors. These colors are just gorgeous. It's like a shade or color for every every look you could think of, all in one palette, and that's what I love about this palette. The shades are buttery smooth, they blend really, really well, and I really enjoyed making this video. So I did the rest of my makeup off camera. The lipstick that I am wearing is the NARS Power Matte Pigment in the color Save the Queen. And I did line it with MAC Chestnut. I used my Glola by the crayon case for my highlights on my cheeks. Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany. NARS Seduction Blush, which I love this blush. I use it all the time, as you can see. So this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want me to do more tutorials like these, leave me a comment down below. This is my first like real tutorial. Please don't refer back to my previous video, which was like a couple years ago, and I thought, keyword thought, it was not a real tutorial, but this one is. This is a real tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, please thumbs up this video and leave me a comment letting me know.